So if you are to compare this data with AFA Bundle or the Mashup Bundle, you see that this data is a little bit better. But one thing is, this data will expire whilst the Mashup Bundle doesn't expire, and AFA Bundle 2 also expire. And with AFA Bundle, according to MTN, all that they are saying is it will return. So we are just hoping, and we are waiting on them with the AFA Bundle, which can give us more call minutes, and then also you can just buy call minutes and also data on it. So let's wait and see what they will do about that one. So just subscribe and also like the video. I'll bring more updates about that one right here on this channel. So let's look at this bundle that can just give you data and also call time. Let's begin right here and let's start. Subscribe, like the video, and follow us for more videos from here. I'll bring more right here on this channel. Let's begin. So this is the code *5060# and just call this code. So like the video for me because it will really help me a lot. And then here just select one SME Plus bundle. Just select this one. And we have the monthly and also the weekly. So just check it yourself by just selecting any one of these, the monthly or the weekly, and then you can also check your balance right here. So anyone you can just select and then buy. So we have self purchase and then we have the agent. Just go to one self purchase. And then they have classic, super, premium. Okay, so just look through the amount that you have, just look through, select and buy right here. But here you have to have the credit on your phone. We are not going to use Momo for this one, so just make sure you've top up airtime on your phone and then you proceed to buy from here. Okay, so that's that for this one. You can just dial the code *5060# and then you proceed with it to buy the data from there. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for videos from here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Stay alive.